Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show today. So I was just looking at my bookshelf the other day and I'm like, you know what, I'm kind of bored with the stuff that I have on there. You know, I've had it on there for almost a year, so I just want to change it up a little bit. And so we're going to do a book bling project today. I think it's going to be relatively simple, might be a little time consuming, but hopefully in the end it will be worth it. So if you guys want to keep watching, that would be awesome, and we will get started right now. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the covers off of these books. Okay, now the next thing is we're going to take our Mod Podge and the foam paintbrush, and we're going to apply it here and on all the edges of the pages, because these books are not going to be opened. They are now for decoration. I'm going to stack these up, and I'm going to put something heavy on top so that they stay together, stay tight, keep it tight. Then, when we come back, we will start painting them for the next part. Okay, so we have waited about 24 hours to let the Mod Podge dry. So now we can go ahead and start to paint. So I'm just going to use white. So what you see here are some of the, some of the mica powders that I'm going to try. And then this is the white paint. So we're just going to go ahead and put some in here, and then let's try, we're going to do this dark green. Okay, so this is what we've got, and trust me, I had to use a shitload to get just that. So now we know really is not the color that I was going for. But it'll work. Okay, so that is done. We're just gonna let it dry, and I think we'll leave the last book white, and yeah, we'll leave it at that, and then we'll bling them out. All right, so for this white, I've got this diamond wrap, and then this pearl wrap. So I want to do the spine first. So now we'll go ahead and do the diamond wrap on that. All right. Hey, you guys, have you ever been bitten by a horsefly? It sucks. So, did you know that, zebras, they have the black and white stripes? Well, they did some research and they found out that the black and white stripes actually help to prevent a lot of those horsefly bites. And so they were like, well, let's just try this out, So they took some horses and some cows and they painted them black and white, brown and white, and gray and white, and wanted to see, what worked, the black and white. And they say that it is a product of evolution. That's why the zebras have the stripes. And I just think that's pretty fucking awesome. And I wanted to share that with you. So there you go. My gift to you. Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna take, oh, that's all right. I'm gonna take this blingy ribbon. I've already cut it basically to the size that we need. And I have my glue gun because this is adhesive, but it's not great. Okay, so we've got the pages done. Okay, so I've already started on this book here. I've got the Mod Podge because I'm gonna use this glitter, this iridescent glitter. So I'm just gonna slap this on here real quick. All right, so we've waited quite a while. I think that looks pretty good. I don't think it needs another coat. I'd say it's done. What I am gonna do though is I'm gonna spray this glitter with this Mod Podge sealant so that we can keep that glitter on there. Okay, so on this one, I'm gonna use this adhesive Bling. All right, cool. Okay, so here's our finished products. We have this beauty. Yes. Then we have this beauty. And last but not least, okay, Then we stack them up. And I think that looks pretty cute. You know, maybe do something like that. Yeah, I like that better. Mix up those colors, huh? Okay. So that's it. You know, I mean, how simple was that? I'm just going to go put them on the bookshelf and, you know, life goes on. Hope you guys had a good time. I love you guys. And I want you to do me a favor. I want you to go out there and kick today's ass. All right? Have a good one.